So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to locate this kick panel right here. It's on the driver's side, so it's different than most other cabin filters, which are on the passenger side. So just go ahead and remove that. It does come off easily. As you can see, there's some clips that go in there, and then you will locate the latch right here that opens the cabin filter. Okay. You then want to do is just go under here and pull this little tab open. As you can see, this is super dirty. Okay, it is going to be a little bit hard to pull out, but just go ahead and get it. We're going to replace it anyway. Make sure that you clean the excess off the bottom whenever you get a chance. Now what you want to do is you want to locate this little tab where it says airflow, so the airflow will be going back into the cabin. And what you're going to do with this one is you're going to pinch it. And be careful. And then you're going to just go ahead and slide it in. So I need both hands so you guys won't be able to see this, okay? And we'll go ahead and scrunch in now. Then just go ahead and locate the tab again. So the tab should fit nicely back where you had it. Then just reinstall the kick panel when you're done.